In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendar in Slack. By the end, you'll know how to find the right calendar app in Slack, connect it to your workspace, and quickly check your schedule or create events without leaving Slack. Start by opening Slack either in your browser or the desktop app and make sure you're in the correct workspace. From there, head into the admin area. Depending on your role and workspace settings, this may appear in the main menu or sidebar. If you don't see it, you may not have admin access, so it's a good idea to coordinate with someone who does before proceeding. Inside the admin section, open Apps and Workflows. This is where you manage apps for the workspace and control what's installed, what's available, and how apps behave. Once you're there, click the search bar. We're going to look for calendar apps that integrate smoothly with Slack. If you prefer to browse instead of typing, click Browse to load the app directory and explore options by category. In the search bar, type Calendar. Slack will instantly surface a mix of popular and specialized tools that work with different calendar providers. To see the broader list and compare them side by side, click See All Results for Calendar. This opens the Marketplace search results page with detailed listings, descriptions, and screenshots. You'll likely see several relevant options. One you might come across is Calendar Anything Integration. Click that to review what it offers, especially if you're interested in a more customizable or Salesforce-connected calendar view. Next, look for Outlook Calendar and click it if your organization uses Microsoft 365. Outlook Calendar is a great fit when your meetings live in Outlook and you want Slack notifications and quick actions around those events. If you're using Google Workspace, click Google Calendar. This is the most common pick for teams on Gmail and Google Meet, and it's designed to feel familiar inside Slack. For this walkthrough, let's continue with Google Calendar. On its listing page, click Open in Slack. If this is your first time adding it, click Add to Slack and then choose a channel where the app can post updates, like a team channel for daily agendas. This channel choice helps your team see upcoming events or changes without having to dig for them. If Slack prompts you with a system dialog, click Open this link in your browser so the connection can finalize smoothly. Once the app is installed, return to Slack and open the app's Home tab. Here's where you'll spend most of your time. Click Today to instantly see your schedule for the day inside Slack. This view is handy for a quick glance at your meetings and any open blocks you still have. If you want to check a different date, click the date. That will jump you forward or backward so you can preview an upcoming day, plan your week, or confirm availability before proposing a time. When you're ready to add something new, click Create Event. This opens a simple form that lets you put an event on your calendar right from Slack. It's great for capturing quick meetings or reminders the moment they come up in conversation. After that, take a moment to tailor the integration to your preferences. Click Settings in the app's Home tab. This is where you can fine-tune what types of notifications you receive, choose which calendar is connected if you have more than one, and confirm the channel you selected earlier. Adjusting these options ensures you get the right level of visibility without overwhelming your channels. That's the full flow. Open Slack, go to the admin area, head into Apps and Workflows, search for Calendar, review the results, and pick the provider that matches your tools. Calendar, Anything, Outlook Calendar, or Google Calendar. Open it in Slack, add it to your workspace, choose a channel, and confirm the browser prompt. Then, in the app's Home tab, use Today, pick a date, create events, and fine-tune your settings to make it work the way you do.